What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. This is one of the heaviest unboxings I've ever done in my life. This is heavy. This is an Amazon Prime unboxing. I'm gonna get a freaking hernia doing this one. But as always, I want to say thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and check out my other thousands and thousands of videos. So, got some cool bubble wrap. That'll be great. First up, this is actually the Amazon brand. This is Happy Belly brand Walnuts halves and pieces. So this would be good for healthy snacks, for baking, or I mean, I guess there's other throwing away. I don't know, whatever you guys want to do with it. But I like finding stuff I like with the best deal possible, and this seemed like a pretty good deal. I don't remember how much I spent, but it was a good deal. Next up is Planters Mixed Nuts, made with pure sea salt, less than 50% peanuts. This includes peanuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pecans. Do you call them pecans or pecans? So I love this. Best deal I could find for that. Once again, this is a healthy snack. Got the Amazon Elements. Amazon has their own brand of vitamin C. 1,000 milligrams per serving, vegan, tested for potency, purity, and integrity. Next up, we got a box case of Atkins shakes. This is Milk Chocolate Delight. I love it. I did a taste test and review of it, which I would love for you guys to check out. Give me your opinion on them. I try a lot of different shakes, as you're going to see, because I also have the Premier Protein brand right here. This is caramel, depending on how you say it. So this is another 12-pack of caramel. And last, and most certainly not least, you have to bear with me there, we've got Premier Protein cookies and cream. It tastes like blended Oreo. All of these I've done reviews of and taste testing reviews, and I would love for you to check them out. Please check out my other thousands and thousands of unboxings, my videos. If you hit the notification bell, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, cash at me at London Hawthorne, or if you like cool shirts like this one, I got it at onceuponatea.net. Another cool shirt site that I use is Ripped Apparel. That's RIPT apparel.com. Either site, go on there and you find your shirt of choice. Use my username as your coupon code, London Hawthorne. You're going to save a few bucks off of each and every shirt. Yeah, that's right. Onceuponatea.net or RIPT apparel.com. London Hawthorne is your coupon code. It helps me out. I get a couple bucks in credit, and you get a couple bucks off each and every shirt. Thanks a lot for watching. Please check out some of my other thousands of videos. And let me know what you guys think of some of these products in it. Have a great day.